Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the search using data grid view using C#.net. Here this is the table I have created. I have created the database bank. Inside the database we have a table called account. Inside the table these are the fields are there: ID, account number and balance. Simple program, right? This is a very simple program. When the person enter the account number, the relevant employee details should be displayed. Okay, account number and balance. Right now, I just put it only balance. If you want to the account holder name, you will be able to add the column here as account number holder and balance. Right, I just enter only the one column. Okay, here let's show the demo first. Here, let's click start button. Now here it asks to enter the account ID. So if you enter the account ID from, what is the account ID? I just enter A001, click find button. Here account number A001, balance, all the stuff display. If you are 2, it will be displayed account order 2 balance, and 3 it displays the 3 balance. Here same balance. If you enter the 4, find record not found, click here, there will be no records are there. If you click 5, there will be no records are there. It's very essential program, write in C#.net. It's very simple. I hope you know the design, how to design this form. I no need to design again by again. This is called as text box, right? I just get the text box from the toolbox. This is called as data grid view. I get it from here and put it here, right? This is the button where I get it from the toolbox right here. If you want to get the tool simply, you just type the name over here. You just drag the button, right? That's the thing I have did so far. Now here, what I'm going to do is here. This is a button, right? Button I have changed this one, flat style, right? If you have a default come as this one, standard. If you want, you can put it as flat. It's look like this. This is a text box. Also I have changed the styles, right? You will be able to change the styles over here. Text box also you will be able to, here we have a style change here, right? You will be able to border style, we have give noun. If it is default come as single or 3D. Okay, now I am going to change it as a none, mean like this. Okay, this I have changed the color as well. This color I have changed, right? Okay, this is the color. If you have black, I give. Okay, the simple form I have designed. After that, what I did here is, when you click the find button, first I have go to the, if you double click the find button, first I have add the namespace for connecting the SQL server. I have used the SQL server in my machine, SQL server 2012. You will be able to use this latest version. Latest version. You will be able to use it. Okay, the same thing you will be use it here. Now I have connected here only Windows authentication. You will be able to connect SQL authentication as well. If you are going to connect the SQL authentication, you will be able to provide the user credential here. Username, you have to give the username and password, right? I just give as a Windows authentication. We no need to connect the username and password here. I just connect it. If you connect like this, you can put it here, the Windows authentication, you have to put it here in that integrated security true. Make it as integrated security is true. It is never ask the username and password, right? You just log in, right? Okay. Here this is the server. Server is a local server dot. This is the database bank. This is the this how we have established the database connection. Visual Studio to SQL server, right? We have created the class, SQL class. It is reside on the namespace, which is a SQL client. After that, this is the button. If you double click the find button, this is the button where we write the code, right? So first I have add the adapter, SQL data adapter. After the data set we have added, data table we have added, data view I have added, data row we have added. These all the things I have created the objects, right? Each things I have created the objects. Different objects: data set, data table, data view and data row, right? These are the name of the object, right? I just give the names like this. So here first I am getting the data adapter here. what is the data adapter equal data adapter. I have written the query. Okay, this is the essential stuff to we have find the database. This is the parameter we have used, right? So here select all from account, which table, account table, say account table, select all from account. We all the data we have to select from account table, where account number equal, we have put one parameter. P1 mean you have give any name here, P1 or P2, any name. This called as parameter. We have passed parameter, just parameters. Okay, you must use it this one. This is a very standard stuff when you written the code in Visual Studio. This is a standard one, right? This is a connection. This is the connection object. We have to throw it here. After that, we have second one, the same data adapter equal select command dot parameter dot add new parameter, new SQL parameter. This one we have to throw it here. You have to give the data type. This is the char, because this is a char. Means this is the we have entered the A001. All the sims are char. You have data type. You have just provide the length of that one. I just provide as to a here we have to provide as 20. You will be provide if it is a the ID, if they are a long length, you will be provide here as 50 or 60 or whatever. It is no problem. Right here, after that, what I did here is, this is a text box where you text. This is a text box. I am going to name it T011, right? So this is a text box name. So here what I did is this same data adapter dot command parameter. This parameter, what is the parameter? You have to throw it here. Dot value here. What is the value you are type on this text box? It is assigned to the this parameter. Okay, you have to assign to the this parameter. This parameter we have to call it here. It is throw it here. Okay, this is checking all the stuff whether you are entering correct or not. Okay, this normal you just I have put it the many videos. I just put it to one text box is assigned to the particular variable, and you have to throw it here and search. That is not professional way. This is the professional standard way. Okay, it is all the stuff it is checking whether your data type is correct, and you enter the value, all the stuff connect, then only it will be search right here. Okay, this is the standard one you have to use. You have to use a parameter, you have to pass it here. This is a standard search you have to use in Visual Studio.net. After that, we have data set. I have get the data set. We have already written data set object over here equal new. You have to create the object new. All the stuff you have to create the object new. Okay, after the data set dot table get enumerator, you have to put the data enumerator. This is how we have to load the table, right? Tables data set dot, there will be the property table property called table dot get enumerator. After the data, this data adapter dot fill, we have to fill the adapter. We have to fill the data set first. If we have to put it like if, right? After that, we have data set. This is a data table. We have to get data table dot equal this data set dot table. We have to fill all the values, right? What is the matching value we are loaded here? Okay, what is the ID you are typing on the text box? The relevant information will be loading here. Okay, we have set the data center. If the ID is match, it is matching here. If table, this table, okay, this table data table dot rows dot count equals 0. If the ID is match, sorry, if the IDs do not match, it show the error. Message box show record not found. If it is ID is found, it goes to the data grid view source. It's a data set. What is the data set? What is the idea there? It is filling on the data source, right? Okay, this is the thing we have to do. Very simple one. You have to make it as the search look like this. All the code I provide in my this one we no needed data row. This one all no needed, right? This only things we needed. Okay, this is simple code. Here I have shown the another time. Here it is found successfully. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, here it's not found. Okay. Okay. This all the code I provide in my twittersfunny.com website. Thank you for watching. This is how we have created the search criteria in Visual Studio professional way. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.